Hey, I'm Coach Kozak, and I'm going to show you how to do an incline dumbbell fly. The key to an incline dumbbell fly is isolating your chest. So I'm going to show you how to do that through technique of the exercise. So first thing is incline bench. Bench is on a 45-degree angle. Second, you're going to pick up your dumbbells, and on this exercise in particular, I would choose using a lighter weight over sacrificing form. So it's okay if you're not using a lot of weight, as long as you're using spectacular form and really isolating your chest. So what I'd like you to do is start from the top, and I want you to bend at your elbows. Almost, I always tell everybody, almost like you're hugging a big redwood tree, keeping your elbows bent the whole time. So now, as I descend, I'm going to keep my elbows bent. I'm not going to let them straighten out, and I'm not going to come down into a chest press. Keeping my elbows bent, hugging that tree, stretching my chest, and pulling back with my chest. This is going to work your upper chest muscle, your pectoris major, stretching the chest, pulling back with the chest. And really feel yourself working your chest and not letting your shoulders take over in the movement. Alright, I'm Coach Kozak from HASfit. This is the Incline Dumbbell Fly. It's an excellent chest exercise. If you want to see more chest exercises, check our website, HASfit.com, and while you're at it, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Have a great workout.